Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we learn about how to divide the sales transactions into multiple buckets or ticket size. This means dividing all the sales value into buckets of 0 to 100, 101 to 200 and so on. We will be using pivot tables grouping technique along with a chart. So let me take you through the data first. We have these 25 sales transactions and they have been categorized into these multiple buckets. So as I can see clearly, the most popular transaction ticket size is falling under 1 to 21 and that can also be seen from the chart below. To do this analysis, first I choose the data set, then I go to insert and then pivot table. Once I click on OK, most of you might have to go to pivot table options and then display so that you can activate an option called classic pivot table layout. It allows you to drag the fields from the right hand side to the left hand side. Now, since it's already chosen on my computer, I'm going to click on OK. Next, I put the sales transactions in the row field. It gives me a list of all the individual sales value. Now I'm going to right click on any one single cell from the given list and I'm going to click on the option group. Now the group option gives me the minimum and the maximum value from the list. I choose the minimum as 0 and keep the interval size as 25 and then I click on OK. Next, I'm going to drag and drop the sales again in the maths area, which is the value fields, and it seems that is giving me count of sales. Those who are getting sum of sales, do not worry. You can right click on a given value, go to summarize values by and choose from sum to count. Now, using this data, when you go to insert and then click on the basic clustered column chart, you get to see the interval ticket size. What we notice is the most popular transaction ticket size is 0 to 25. However, there's a break in continuity after this. You do not see 125 to 150. To be able to see all the buckets, I need to choose any cell from the first column and then I go to the option called field settings. Within that, I go to layout and print and then I choose the option called show items with no data. Once I do that, I get this entire list of buckets which had no values. So when I extend the entire chart, it shows me the entire distribution across multiple ticket size. This is also called frequency distribution. By the way, just a quick tip. If you keep your cell inside the pivot table and press F11, it creates the same chart but in a new sheet. The shortcut key is F11. So I hope you were able to divide your sales transactions into multiple buckets and that will help you analyze the sales data.